this is Candy. I'm hacking Yardie Belly's kitchen today, and I'm coming to you with a quick and easy dinner dish. I'm doing char-grilled chicken with mango salsa, and I'm gonna start real quick by seasoning my chicken. And I have here about 3 cloves of garlic that I'm adding to my bowl. I have 2 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce. I'm also squeezing a half of a lime. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. A little black pepper, freshly ground black pepper. And a tad bit of salt to taste. Alright, and to that I am adding some chicken breasts that I've already pre-cut in half. And I'm just gonna allow those breasts to marinate in this sauce for maybe an hour or so. And of course you have to incorporate the seasoning or the marinade. Yeah, and then I'm gonna just cover it and allow it to sit in my refrigerator for, as I said, about an hour. And then I'm gonna come back and show you the rest of the dealio. Alright? Okay, so I am back. And I'm ready to prepare my mango salsa. And the basic ingredients for this salsa is just, of course, a mango. I have some roasted bell pepper. I have some cilantro and a half of a lime. And of course, I'll be putting some salt and pepper. Here I have my ingredients already diced and chopped. I have the mango, the peppers, and the cilantro. And I'm gonna just add some lime. So I'm squeezing about a half of a lime in it. And I'm adding a teaspoon or a tablespoon rather of olive oil. Salt to taste. And pepper. And I'm just gonna incorporate all of that and allow it to sit in the refrigerator again until the meal is totally done. So my grill is hot and ready to rear. My chicken breast has been marinated, and I'm just going to put them on the grill right now so that they can get a nice brown color. Can you hear the sizzle? And I just rub some coconut oil on the I grease the grill with some coconut oil in order for the chicken not to stick and to give it a good flavor. Coconut oil has a great flavor, guys. Yep. And I'm just going to close it down some and allow it to grill for a couple of minutes. Okay, we're all done, and I'm about to do the plating for the chicken. And I'm just topping it with my mango salsa. And there you have it. Quick and easy meal, dinner recipe idea. Bon appetit, and come back to Yardie Belly's kitchen. Subscribe, rate, like, love, everything. Bye. Peace.